Welcome to Trading and Investment Guide, Forex series. In this video, I will be touching upon Forex day trading, how to make the most from it. Before that, just a quick introduction of myself. My name is Dalton Hayes. I used to work in major banks and financial institutions for 2 decades. Currently I am into full-time trading in crypto, Forex, options and stocks since COVID pandemic. The beauty I discovered about trading is it enables my money to grow anywhere anytime without me having to sacrifice much time as compared to jobs. But here, I will be focusing on Forex. The type of Forex trading when you will hold a position for a short while, within a few minutes up to several hours is known as Forex day trading. Within a particular day, a Forex trader could have entered and exit the market many times. There are tips you can follow and apply in order to succeed and make the most from Forex day trading. Pay attention to trend movements. One distinct feature of day trading is that traders have several entries and exits performed throughout the day. Traders also use shorter time frame charts like 15 and 30-minute charts to analyze the market. If you are a day trader, you must be extra attentive to the trend movements reflected on the charts so that you can always find profitable opportunities. Patience on entries and exits. Frequent entries and exits are necessary for Forex day traders to make small profits on numerous trades. Patience is a requirement when analyzing the charts to decide on entry/exit points. It is the key to rational market analysis. If you cannot rationally evaluate 10 movements and make coherent decisions, you are bound to lose money and opportunities. Free trials to take advantage of. Free trials, offered by brokers, are excellent means by which you can familiarize yourself first with day trading. Free trials offers you with a means to practice, and once you are satisfied with your skills, you can decide if day trading is indeed the most suitable for you. Sensible expectations. In Forex trading, there will always be times for winning, as well as times for losing. Day trading may seem very easy that there is no reason for you to earn profits from it. However, in day trading, the possibility of losing is as much as the probability of winning. It is therefore very important that you prepare very well for day trading. Learn what you have to learn. Do what you have to do, so you can keep your losses at minimum. Number of positions to hold. Many day traders commit this mistake of holding too many positions because they think they will gain more profits with more positions. Too many positions may cause you to lose your concentration, especially when you have limited capital. Ideally, you need only up to 3 holding positions in day trading. This way, you can effectively handle your positions without increasing risks of losing your money. Planning ahead. Planning ahead of actual trading is crucial for your success. Keep in mind that, in this form of trading, there are several entries, exits and positions you need to consider. When you plan ahead, you are able to prepare a set of guidelines to follow to maximize earnings and minimize losses. No greediness in trading. Trading can be compared to betting. Once you have gathered some profits, be sure to be grateful for it. Save a portion of your earnings and do not gamble at all. Better yet, learn to control yourself by not giving in to greediness. Once you earn some profits, know that it is better to leave the trading market with some earnings, rather than trying your luck once again only to lose more money in the end. Your covetousness might lead to superfluous losses. Founded by self-made multi-millionaire and entrepreneur Samir Tahir, FX Lifestyle is his online course and platform that teaches people how to profit from Forex trading. Find out more in the link from description. This concludes this video of Forex series. At the same time, you may check out our site at www.tradingandinvestmentguide.com. Also remember to hit subscribe and bell notifications for future videos. Thank you for watching.